Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Identity and Access Management now supports dual-stack environments. This allows customers to connect to IAM over the public internet using IPv6, IPv4, or dual-stack clients. The new dual-stack support also applies when accessing the IAM endpoint privately from Amazon Virtual Private Cloud using AWS Private Link. This enables customers to gradually transition from IPv4 to IPv6 based systems and applications without disruptions. Dual-stack support is available in all commercial AWS regions, the AWS GovCloud regions, and the China regions. Amazon Bedrock Guardrails has announced the general availability of industry-leading image content filters, providing customers with a powerful tool to detect and block harmful multimodal content. This new capability offers configurable safeguards that can remove up to 88% of harmful image content, eliminating the need for manual content moderation or building custom safeguards. These industry-leading image content filters can be applied across any foundation model, including those hosted on Amazon Bedrock, self-hosted models, and third-party models outside Bedrock. This provides a consistent user experience and helps standardize safety and privacy controls. The image content filters can be used to detect and block harmful content, including hate speech, insults, sexual content, violence, misconduct, and prompt attacks. Customers have the flexibility to choose either image or text content, or both, and build safe generative AI applications that adhere to their responsible AI policies. This new capability is generally available in the AWS regions of Amazon Bedrock Guardrails, specifically the Asia-Pacific region. Amazon EC2 now supports up to its full instance bandwidth for inter-region VPC peering traffic into AWS Direct Connect. This means that customers can send bandwidth from EC2 between regions or towards AWS Direct Connect at the full instance baseline specification, or 5 gigabits per second, whichever is greater. Additionally, Amazon EC2 now supports jumbo frames up to 8,500 bytes for cross-region VPC peering. This allows customers to transfer large volumes of data faster than before when sending traffic between regions or from EC2 to their on-premises network via AWS Direct Connect. The lower limit on bandwidth has been removed for destinations between AWS regions and to on-premises through AWS Direct Connect, allowing for faster transfers. Amazon DataZone now supports metadata rules for publishing workflows, enabling organizations to enforce metadata standards consistently across both producer and consumer workflows. This enhancement allows domain owners to define mandatory metadata fields that data users must complete when publishing assets to the catalog or requesting access to data. Organizations can require producers to classify data before publication, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and improving audit readiness. For instance, a financial services organization can mandate classification of data as part of the publishing process, enabling accurate tracking and reporting. Metadata rules also enable the creation of custom approval workflows for subscriptions to assets, using collected metadata to facilitate access decisions or auto-fulfillment. This feature streamlines workflows for greater efficiency and control, while ensuring that data is accurately cataloged and governed. Amazon SageMaker introduces metadata rules to enforce standards and improve data governance. These rules allow organizations to define mandatory metadata fields that data users must complete when publishing assets to the catalog or requesting access to data. For instance, a financial services organization can require producers to classify data before publication, and consumers to provide project details and compliance evidence as part of an access request. Metadata rules enable the creation of custom approval workflows for subscriptions to assets, using collected metadata to facilitate access decisions or auto-fulfillment outside of Amazon SageMaker. This enables organizations to improve compliance, enhance audit readiness, and streamline access workflows for greater efficiency and control. Organizations can enforce metadata standards across data publishing and subscription workflows by standardizing their metadata practices. This ensures that domain owners can define mandatory metadata fields that data users must complete when publishing assets or requesting access to data, thereby improving governance and reducing the risk of unauthorized access or mismanagement of data. Amazon Elasticsearch now supports AWS Private Link in AWS Asia Pacific and Asia Pacific regions. AWS Private Link provides private connectivity between VPCs, AWS services, and on-premises networks without exposing traffic to the public internet and securing network traffic. This enables privately accessing Amazon Elasticsearch from your Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. To use AWS Private Link with Amazon Elasticsearch, you create an interface VPC endpoint for Amazon Elasticsearch in your VPC using the Amazon VPC console, AWS SDK, or AWS CLI. With an interface VPC endpoint, you can privately access the Amazon Elasticsearch APIs from applications inside your Amazon VPC. AWS dedicated local zones now support Amazon EBS GP3 and IO1 volumes. This enables customers to store data in a specific data perimeter, meeting their data isolation and residency requirements. Provisioning performance independently of storage capacity is possible with GP3 volumes, offering up to 20% lower price point per GB than existing GP2 volumes. This makes them suitable for I/O intensive and latency-sensitive workloads like databases, which can be provisioned using IO1 volumes designed specifically for such needs. Customers can manage these EBS volumes using the AWS Management Console, Command Line Interface, or SDKs. AWS CodeBuild now supports custom cache keys for S3 caching, enabling more granular cache management and improved cache persistence across builds. You can define custom cache keys to manage your cache more efficiently, which is particularly useful for similar builds that share common dependencies but require different build outcomes. This feature also allows you to share cache keys across projects, leveraging a common dependency cache to speed up your builds without the need to rebuild everything. Amazon SageMaker AI is now available specifically in Thailand. This fully managed platform provides developers and data scientists with the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. Amazon SageMaker AI is now available in Mexico, providing developers and data scientists with a fully managed platform to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. This availability enables users to leverage Amazon's comprehensive machine learning capabilities without the need for extensive infrastructure setup or maintenance. With SageMaker AI, users can focus on developing high-quality models rather than managing the underlying infrastructure. The platform removes the heavy lifting from each step of the machine learning process, making it easier to develop and deploy models that drive business value. By simplifying the machine learning workflow, Amazon SageMaker AI enables a faster time to value for projects and initiatives in Mexico. Amazon EC2 instances are now available in the AWS Asia Pacific region, specifically in Tokyo. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton4 processors and offer up to 30% better performance compared to AWS Graviton3-based instances. These Amazon EC2 instances are designed for compute-intensive workloads such as high-performance computing, batch processing, gaming, video encoding, scientific modeling, distributed analytics, CPU-based machine learning inference, and ad serving. They are built on the AWS Nitro system, which offloads CPU virtualization, storage, and networking functions to dedicated hardware and software, enhancing performance and security. The instances offer larger sizes with up to 3 times more vCPUs and memory compared to Graviton3-based Amazon C7G instances. AWS Graviton4 processors provide improved performance for databases, web applications, and large Java applications, with speeds up to 40% faster for databases, 30% faster for web applications, and 45% faster for large Java applications. Amazon EC2 instances are available in 12 different sizes, including 2 bare metal sizes. They offer enhanced networking bandwidth of up to 50 gigabits per second and up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. Amazon EC2 instances are now available in the AWS US West region, specifically in Northern California. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton4 processors and offer up to 30% better performance compared to AWS Graviton3-based instances. These new instances are ideal for memory-intensive workloads such as databases, in-memory caches, and real-time big data analytics. They are built on the AWS Nitro system, which offloads CPU virtualization, storage, and networking functions to dedicated hardware and software to enhance the performance and security of your workloads. The R8G instances offer larger instance sizes with up to 3 times more vCPU and memory than Graviton 3-based R7G instances. They provide enhanced networking bandwidth of up to 50 gigabits per second and up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. 2 bare metal sizes are available, offering even greater performance for workloads that require direct access to hardware resources. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.